There we go. So considering the rapid changes in technology and customer behavior, what specific skills should customer success professionals or all professionals consider to develop to stay relevant in the next, 3 to 5 years, considering everything that's going on with AI and everything else in the market right now?
Well, I think the biggest skill that you need to bring in is your passion for humans, for psychology. If you don't do this, then I think you're not really starting at the very beginning and at the core of what we do in customer success. So understanding humans, but also understanding yourself. So self-awareness is quite important. But also the bigger picture is understand, why are you in this role? So I know there's a lot of change, right? And some folks, and I get this, they work in customer service and they don't want to become a commercial person. Ask yourself that question, is that a thing in the future that you want to go down? Do you want to carry a commercial goal or target going forward? Is it for you or not? There will be a lot of changes within customer success. Some parts might just move to product. Some parts might just move to sales, right? Make sure you know what you want going forward, because if you're not feeling well in this role, if you can't really contribute, then that will show. That will really does not enable you to really take this next forward. The second one is commercial acumen. You need to wear a commercial hat. That's it. There's no way back. I think at the end of the day, for me, it's to create a win-win-win situation. So what's in for the client? Start with that. What's the value that you create? What's the win? Focus on that. Be that AI is going to help you here, right? With what we just said. What's the win for the company? We're talking about metrics, NRR, and so on. And what's the win for yourself? Is that the right job for you? Is that what you want to do? Are you happy with that in this new system that's going to change? Be flexible and just keep on learning. I think that's it.
Yeah, and to your point, I had the same type of responses that I built out as well. So for me, it was human skills, right? So focus on communication. There are 1,000 classes out there. We're going to start offering a lot more on customer success to you as far as just communication skills, learning, active listening, storytelling. Again, going back to the evolution, right? We've been around as a species at some form or another for 200,000 years. Storytelling is what is transcended forever, which is why when you hear something, these talks are great, but when we tell stories stick around. It's just human nature and human behavior. So really being great storytellers, because it does stick with your organization and with your customers. Handling difficult conversations. Again, back to human skills, learning how to really understand people, listen to what they're saying. Understand just because they're mad doesn't mean they're mad. It means that they need your product or service to do something. And so being able to listen to them. Conflict resolution in a positive way. There's so many ways that you can turn a negative situation into something that truly makes them trust you as a person and really grows your organization or your influence in that organization. And then negotiation skills. So to me, it's all back to human skills, and something that we definitely are building out much more in our courses that'll be completely refreshed for 2025.